Welcome to our channel. Verifying your Crypto.com account unlocks full trading features and higher limits for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Step 1. Download the Crypto.com app from the App Store or Google Play and create an account with your email address. Step 2. Navigate to the Account or Profile section and select Verify Account or Complete Verification to begin the process. Step 3. Provide your personal information, including full legal name, date of birth, nationality, and residential address. Step 4. Upload a clear photo of your government-issued ID, such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Step 5. Take a selfie following the on-screen instructions, ensuring your face is well lit and matches your ID photo. Step 6. For higher verification levels, provide proof of address by uploading a recent utility bill or bank statement showing your name and address. Step 7. Wait for Crypto.com to review your documents, which typically takes a few minutes but can take up to several hours during busy periods. Step 8. Once verified, you'll receive a notification and can access increased trading limits, fiat deposits, and the full range of Crypto.com services. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.